Hi everyone, let us learn few more Microsoft Excel shortcuts. Control K opens Insert Hyperlink dialog box. Now, if you already have a hyperlink in this particular cell, then Control K opens Edit Hyperlink dialog box. Control L is used to display the dialog box Create Table. Control N opens a new blank workbook. Control O displays Open File dialog box. Control P gives you Print dialog box with Backstage view. Control Q displays Quick Analysis Tools dialog box. Control R is used to fill the cell with the values with the leftmost column content. Control S is used to save the workbook with the current name. Control U applies or removes the underline. Control V is used to paste the selected value, whereas Control Alt V is used to open the dialog box Paste Special. Control W is used to close the selected workbook window. Control X is used to cut a particular select cell. Control Y is used to redo the last action. Control Z is used to undo the last action. Hope it helps. See you again with another video.